It starts. It drives. So why does it look like this? Sitting on a Copart lot in Los Angeles is a 2024 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 1LT with only 17,457 miles on the odometer. The listing shows primary damage as stripped and secondary damage as incomplete repair. Yet Copart confirms it starts and moves under its own power. How does a brand new mid-engine American supercar end up completely dismantled by an insurance company without a single wrinkle in its aluminum frame? Was this a theft recovery abandoned mid-process or a complex financial write-off? Let's analyze the physical evidence. Welcome back to Ask Mack. I am Mack, certified damage appraiser and forensic salvage analyst. Today, we let the physical evidence answer why this C8 Corvette was written off. When an insurance company pays out a total loss claim on a vehicle that still runs and drives flawlessly, the numbers usually tell a story that visual inspection alone misses. We are going to examine the structural frame rails, the LT2 powertrain, and the exact cost required to restore this Torch Red mid-engine machine to factory specification. Let's step up to the case presentation. Here are the baseline facts for lot 744-79025. This 2024 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 1LT is located at Copart in Los Angeles, California. It carries a California Salvage certificate with an odometer reading of 17,457 actual miles. Under the clear rear decklet area sits the original 6.2-liter LT2 V8 engine, paired with Tremec's 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. The primary damage is classified as stripped, with secondary damage listed as incomplete repair. Retail value is $69,382. Forensic inspection reveals a clean disassemble profile, rather than impact collision. Photos 2 through 7 document the complete absence of front and rear bumper fascias, front fenders, headlights, taillights, and the rear engine cover panel. However, the aluminum space frame front crash bar and radiator supports show zero lateral buckle or compressive stress. Suspension towers retain factory geometry, and the side rocker panels are undamaged. The doors and A-pillars fit perfectly. This is a systematic unbolting of exterior skin panels, leaving the underlying aluminum structure entirely uncompromised. Mechanically, this unit is exceptionally sound. The 6.2-liter LT2 V8 engine is physically intact in the mid-engine cradle, with exposed intake and manifold structures. Copart explicitly verifies run and drive status, confirming the starter engages, the engine idles, and the Tremec dual-clutch transmission selects gears to propel the vehicle under its own power. Dashboard Photo 10 verifies active electrical systems without diagnostic SRS airbag triggers. The driver and passenger airbags remain undeployed. While peripheral intake plastic ducting is missing, the mechanical powertrain core requires zero rebuild labor. Rebuilding this C8 Stingray is purely an assembly exercise. Itemizing the missing body parts yields the following totals. For front-end cosmetics, an OEM Torch Red bumper cover assembly and front fenders total $3,800. Lighting assemblies, including dual LED headlamps and rear tail lamps, require $2,900. Rear quarter panels, rear bumper fascia, and engine deck lid cover sum to $4,200. Miscellaneous hardware, clips, and intake plastics account for $1,600. Total expected parts expenditure is $12,500. Let's analyze the financial matrix. Bidding is currently at $0 in pre-bidding. Closing costs include an $850 auction buyer fee, $600 transport estimate, and $1,100 sales tax, bringing fees to $2,800. If acquired at our recommended purchase ceiling of $35,000, total investment with $12,500 in repairs is $50,300. Under scenario A, for personal use against clean retail value, you save $19,082. Under scenario B, for resale against a $52,000 rebuilt market value, Net margin is $1,700. The U.S. market demand for mid-engine C8 Corvettes remains exceptionally resilient. Clean retail units with sub 20,000 miles trade consistently between $66,000 and $71,000. On the private market, clean title Stingrays command $63,000. Rebuilt title C8s suffer a market discount of approximately 20 to 25% due to insurance title stigma, placing rebuilt market valuation right at $52,000. Because mid-engine structural repair is notoriously expensive, a car like this with zero frame damage holds substantial buyer demand. To summarize the investment perspective, this lot represents a rare, low-risk mechanical opportunity. The primary risk factor is not frame alignment or engine rebuilds, but sourcing body panel inventory efficiently. Acquiring used OEM panels in original Torch Red paint eliminates color blending costs entirely. At a $35,000 bid, the buyer locks in a brand new 2024 C8 Corvette for $50,300, all in. That translates to supercar performance at lower trim muscle car pricing. Here is a critical technical lesson on modern mid-engine aluminum space frames. Chevrolet uses die-cast aluminum shock towers and extruded frame rails joined by structural adhesive and flow drill screws. When buying stripped vehicles, always inspect the fastener extraction points. Photo 5 shows clean unbolting marks on bracket mounting pads with zero pulled threads or torn rivet seats. This confirms the panels were removed systematically with hand tools, preserving the structural integrity of the base chassis mounts. Beginner mistake number 1 is ignoring missing wiring harness connectors. On stripped vehicles, thieves or mechanics often cut wiring harnesses with shears rather than unclipping connectors. A replacement main body harness on a C8 Corvette costs over $2,000, plus 40 hours of interior teardown labor. Looking closely at Photo 4, the wiring loom connections behind the missing rear fascia remain intact with clean plug ends, saving thousands in electrical labor. Beginner mistake number 2 is assuming incomplete repair means hidden crash damage. Buyers frequently panic when they see secondary damage listed as incomplete repair. In this specific lot, incomplete repair simply indicates a previous owner or shop began sourcing parts after the theft payout, but abandoned the project. The photo of the front compartment proves the front firewall aluminum structure remains factory straight, without pull marks or hammer deformation. My final official verdict for lot 74479025 is buy with caution. Requires physical inspection. This vehicle represents an outstanding candidate for a builder or personal user looking to save $19,000 on a 2024 C8 Corvette. The space frame chassis is intact, the LT2 engine and DCT transmission are fully operational with run and drive status verified, and the interior is pristine. However, because minor hardware clips and harness pinout integrity must be physically confirmed in person before bidding past $35,000, exercise disciplined physical verification. Recapping our forensic findings, verified 17,457 miles, intact aluminum space frame rails, verified run and drive LT2 V8 powertrain, undeployed SRS airbag system, and zero structural collision impact. Expected rebuild expense totals $12,500 in cosmetic bolt-on components against a $69,000 retail market value. Comparing the current stripped lot against our clean OEM reference model confirms this project is strictly an exterior restoration. If you want pure forensic salvage analysis without auction hype, subscribe to Ask Mack. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on this C8 Corvette build, and let me know what auction lot you want me to inspect next. I am Mack. Stay disciplined, bid on evidence, and I will see you in the next inspection.